Okay, friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today we're checking out the Crenova. This is XPE 660 video projector. This boasts 5,000 lux of brightness. It's a 550 ANSI or lumens by the America's National Standard Institute, I believe, for registering how bright it is under how many lumens. Anyways, this is supposed to be 60 to 200 inch screen. You can do HD, hi-fi stereo and sound, all kinds of good stuff. Easy plug and play with your smartphone, Apple, Android device, Fire Stick, DVD, all that good stuff. So this is the home theater video entertainment video projector. So I'm kind of excited to get this thing rolling. So let's unbox it, shall we? All right. So this picked off of Amazon for about $230. And I will leave a link in the description below, and you guys can check it out if you want. All right, let's get it out of here. So let's get some nice foam padding on there. It'll be the easiest way to get this thing out of here without everything just falling. Okay, so that's it for the box. And let's just set this off to the side here. Okay, so it has, we're going to check out what's in the black box first, shall we? Dun dun dun. All right. So in the black box we have a power cord. Looks like, I believe that's USB cord. Rather thick for USB, but I think that's what it is. Wait, nope. Hang on. Don't want to lead you guys astray here. Maybe it's looking, it's got little covers on it, so let's just pull it out and find out, shall we? So, oh, these are HDMI. My bad. Okay, nice little HDMI cord there. That's a bonus. Some things you have to buy all the cords for. Okay, it's got a cool little remote here. There's the remote. It's got power, fast forward, all kinds of good stuff on there. All right. And has, looks like an audio plug-in. Okay. What else we got here? We got a warranty card, and I was looking on the Amazon. No matter how Amazon deal with your complaint, we'll provide you no excuse 1-year warranty for you. So 1-year warranty, no excuses. That's kind of cool. Grade optical tissue premium. What is this? Okay, so a bunch of lens cleaners, looks like. That's pretty neat. Also, we have the instructions here, and not too bad. Sometimes you get a really thick booklet or for instructions, and it's kind of intimidating. I think when I got my DSLR Nikon camera, literally it was like 100 pages. I mean, who's going to read all that and know and remember all that for a camera? Anyways, kind of intimidating. I'm glad to see that it's not that thick. And also customer service. So it looks like they're really happy about providing good customer service, and so they want you to be happy too. All right, so that's in that box. Let's look at the projector itself here. See if I can't pull it out here for you guys. All right, so it's got a nice, came in nice foam packaging there, making sure it's not going to get damaged. All right. Okay. Let's pull this guy out of there, shall we? Oops, the lens cover came off there. Okay. Does this go on there? Okay, yeah. It's got a nice rubber lens cover, actually, that goes over that thing. So if I can get it on there. Probably be easier with 2 hands. It's a snug fit there. There we go. Okay, so it's got a nice little rubber lens cover there, or silicone, or whatever they make stuff out of nowadays, but it seems to be well constructed here. So it's a plastic with a nice little metal touch there on the front. It is white, not bad. Okay, on the bottom, it's got a couple of non-slip little grips there, so it's not going to slide around if you put it on top of your table or wherever you're projecting it from. And the top features a power button, as well as looks like the same buttons that are on the remote there. Okay. And on the back we have, looks like two USB ports, two HDMI ports, the place for the power cord, and the power on-off switch right there. So that is that, my friends. I'm pretty excited to be doing a demonstration and final review on this thing, so that will be coming up. This is just the unboxing where I show you what's in the box. Not a normal unboxing. I know other guys do everything when they do an unboxing, so my unboxings are a little bit different. I'm just showing you what's in the box and talk about it a little bit. Next video coming up, we'll be doing a product review, as well as a demonstration, and show you how to hook this thing up and everything. So that should be kind of fun. I'm pretty excited about doing that. Anyways, thanks for watching this unboxing, my friends. We'll see you next time. Everyone have a great day out there.